Okay everyone, this is a scale model of a pre-assembly that we've been having some debate over how we're going to lift. Our engineers in Sydney and our construction in Perth have some differences of opinion, so we've rigged this up in an attempt to satisfy everyone that this module will lift true. So what do we have here? We have a acrylic box that I fabricated up today. It's got a little bit of reinforcing running through each side where the load points are, where the lifting points are. We've got the actual grid lines marked where for the actual structure, B, C, D and E, and over here 1, 3 and 4. The model is a 1 in 20 scale. Physical size of the module is about 9-10 metres wide, 12 metres long, about 5 metres high. I didn't have enough material, so I've made the height a little bit shorter than what the proper scale is. We have a single spreader, which is just a bit of 1/2 inch BSP all thread with wing nuts turned into pad eyes. A little level to make sure everything's level. 4 slings with 10-ton digital load cells. Not sure you can see the light and the reflection. A bit of a pull, you can see it goes up. They're good for 10 kilos. We have our mass represented by bricks positioned where the calculated centre of gravity is. The slings along grid line 4 are equal length. That's just for convenience. And then the sling lengths on the other side are governed by the position of this spreader beam, which must run over the centre of gravity. In the other plane, the head slings have been adjusted to position the hook directly over the centre of gravity. So there's been a bit of work going into the slinging arrangement to make sure we get the right lengths, whilst trying to keep it fairly simple by having things such as the same length slings here. Okay, so we'll get on with the next step and tear the load cells and lift her up. Okay, so I'll go around and I'll turn all the load cells on, tear them. Not sure if you can see these through the reflection. And let's give her a up on the hook. Okay, so we go point A, 5.560, load point B, 5.575, load point C, 7.455, and D, 3.510. Everything is nice and level. The spreader beam, the actual load itself is good, and the point of this exercise is, provided your hook is directly over the centre of gravity and you get all your sling geometry right in doing that, it will lift level. As peculiar as a lifting arrangement might look, it will lift, it will be in equilibrium, it won't be a perpetual motion machine spinning around uncontrollably. It can be done.